Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the most requested video on my channel. Yes, it's a skincare video. So let's get started. So before getting into this video, I would like to thank all of you for subscribing to my channel, as we are a family of 300 subscribers now, and which means a lot to me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So in this video, I'll give you two of the homemade remedies for your skin. So the first one is a scrub in which I'll use sugar, which helps your skin to glow. Second is coconut oil, which helps your skin for inflammation and for healthy glow on your skin, like it moisturizes your skin well. Third is essential oil. Again, it's useful for giving a healthy glowing complexion. Fourth one is aloe vera gel, which helps to remove toughness and dryness and also helps to remove dark spots if you have any. This is the liquid which we made. I'll use my fingers to apply. You can use a brush as well. Make sure at last you massage it well with your fingers. For like 2 to 5 minutes if you want, and if you are in a hurry you can directly remove it, no problem, as it's a scrub. So we are done with the first step, which was scrub. I can really feel my skin much more softer and much more glowing and healthy than before. I can feel it, it's too soft, and you cannot see my pimple also, which was visible earlier. So for the second step, we'll be making a face mask in which I'll use milk powder, which works as a cleanser just like milk, and again it has the quality of lightening and smoothing your skin. Second will be yogurt/curd. I'm using curd because it has the vitamin D, which helps in removing darkness, dryness, tan, and also prevents acne. And the last ingredient will be honey, which again is an anti-acne thing, and also it fastens the healing process of your skin, so it's very beneficial. So hand or a spoon bag. I'll be using the spoon bag. This is the mixture. Let's apply. नहीं हो रहा स्पून से. Now we have to keep it for 15 minutes so that it gets dried completely, and it's a face mask, so you have to keep it. Almost 15 minutes now, and I'll go and wash this out. But before that, I would like to tell you that on my Instagram account, which is muskan.mansharamani, I have posted a similar skincare video which includes a coffee scrub and an instant glow face mask. You can check them out on my IGTV and also follow me on Instagram there. The link is in the description. I'll go and wash this out. Now I'll go and wash this. Now I'll go and wash this. So we have come to the end of our second step also, which was face mask. I can really feel my skin much better than before. The redness has also gone down, the smoothness level has increased, and I can feel it much more healthier and brighter. As the face mask smelled really bad, but it worked well with the face, you know. And also I recommend to do a patch test before you try any of these, because it may work different with your skin and different with mine. So do a patch test before you try it to your complete face, you know. And also guys, I was planning to make a vlog kind of video, so do let me know in the comment section, should I try it or not. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.